Welcome to a new video and a new bot for earning money online through Telegram bots. The bot is very special and incredibly powerful because it is part of the NUT network and the DOGE coin. A while ago, they launched two projects, which were among the most successful projects, Dogs and Nut. Within a month and a half, the profits were excellent. The third project is the Notpixel bot, which is considered one of the most important bots, and we will explain it now step by step. The board in front of you is a board that all participants work on. The board is 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels, which is a total of 1 million pixels. When you zoom in by clicking on the plus sign, you reach the pixel level. The symbol at the bottom, paint, means color, and you can choose the appropriate color. As you can see, you have 5 chances to color. Color and draw according to the shape shown in front of you. The most important thing is to stay away from flags and political symbols and focus on other drawings. Every rectangle you color on the screen earns you coins, and consequently, your mining level increases depending on how many pixels you have placed on the overall board. The idea is how many pixels you have on the board, and as more coins are mined for you, click on claim, and you'll see your coin balance increase. Whenever you collect some coins, click claim, and so on. How do you increase your energy? Click on the top and go to boosts. At the bottom, you will see energy limit. When you click on it, your energy will increase from 5 to 6, and you'll purchase it with 5 pixels, which will be deducted from your balance. As for paint reward, it's about increasing the level, and it increases the return for each pixel from 1.5 to 2 pixels. You will spend 100 pixels, which will be deducted from your balance. In return, the number next to claim will increase. Regarding recharging speed, every 10 minutes, your energy recharges and your pixel count increases. So, try to develop the 3 sections and collect through claim. Good luck, and may God ease things. You'll find the link to subscribe to the bot in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel, the link is below, to keep up with all updates. Also, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and support us with a like.